Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we're going to unbox and have a look at the Lenovo Legion R34w 30 curved gaming monitor. So let's begin the video. Here on the front of the box you can see Lenovo Legion. You can see the actual picture of the monitor as well, and on the top right here it says Wasay certified adaptive sync. This monitor supports up to 180 Hz display, which is quite cool. It has AMD FreeSync premium technology, and here on the lower left side we can see other specs as well. So this is a 34-inch ultra wide monitor and its resolution is WQHD with a max resolution of 3440 into 1440 pixels. It has a maximum 180 Hz refresh rate, and I should point out that this 180 Hz refresh rate is only possible if you use the display port which this monitor supports. If you are going to plug in using the HDMI port, then it will not go up to 180 Hz, it will go to a maximum of 100 Hz. If you want to reach the 180 Hz, then you should use the display port and the display cable that they provide. And then it has a 1500R curvature. Basically, since this is a curved monitor, this is the 1500 angle, and lastly it has a 0.5 millisecond response time because it's mainly focused for gamers, so you're going to get better response time using this monitor. And lastly, if I talk about colors, it has 99% sRGB and 90% DCI P3 gamma. Also, this is a VA display, not an IPS display. Now let's basically unbox it. So I should tell you that I actually bought this slightly used, so I tried to rebox it and now we're going to unbox it, but it's going to contain all the things which you're going to get from the original monitor. Once you cut open the seal, you're going to have these two tabs. And now in order to open the box, we're going to slide it down and we're going to open it. Inside the box you're going to have these different box contents. First of all, you're going to get a user manual or user guide, as you can see right here. You also get the limited warranty card and all these other things as well. Other than that, you're going to get our display port cable. So this is our display port cable, as you can see right here, and this cable will allow you to have that 180 Hz support from this monitor. Since I have a Mac currently, I will be using an HDMI cable which they don't provide. You have to buy it separately, so that HDMI cable can help you to connect with your Mac. Later I will buy the display to type C's cable. Here we also get a power cable as well. Here we have the actual stand. As you can see right here, I think so it's made up of metal, not fully plastic, and it's quite lightweight. Other than that, we get the second part of the monitor stand as well, which is mostly its arm. So here is the arm, as you can see right here, looking quite cool. Here we have the cable hole as well, and you can move it up down as well. I will show you once I connect it. And the best thing that I like about the stand is that I don't know if the camera can focus on it or not, but we have a little release latch here, so you can easily connect and disconnect with your monitor. And on the bottom we also got this little screw, so which I'm going to open right now, and we're going to assemble the stand. So you're going to simply place the arm on the stand, and once it is placed, you're going to invert it. On the bottom you're going to see this little hole, and you're going to screw in with the screw that they provide. And once that is done, we can now move towards the actual monitor. Here we have the actual monitor, and we're going to just remove it from the box. So it's going to be a little tricky, so you can use these areas right here, or the other easier way is to invert the box and having your hands behind it. So just be careful, as this is a curved monitor And yeah, now I'm going to remove the box and attach it. Here I'm going to place the stand and I'm going to connect it directly. Before I connect it, here are the different ports that you have. I don't know if the camera can focus on it, but here we have the actual power port. You have two HDMI 2.1 ports, one display 1.4 port, and an audio output. And also you have these two speakers as well. If you don't know, this display also has speakers, and here you have your control panel to adjust different settings on the screen. So in order to connect it to your stand, it's pretty simple. You're just going to put it and it will lock in. And if you don't want to use the built-in stand, they have screw holes in the back end as well, so you can attach it to another arm as well. So we're going to put it on top and then we're going to slide it in, and you're going to hear this click sound, which means that the display has been placed. So it's going to take a good amount of space on your table, as you can see right here. And since we are showing it right now, here are the different angles that you can have with the stand. Obviously you can move like this, up and down, rotation, and you can also move or adjust the height as well. So you have a quite good motion with the stand. Now let me just connect it with my laptop via the HDMI cable and show you some result as well. So here I have hooked the monitor with my laptop using the HDMI port, and you can get an idea of the size of the monitor, its curvature and the viewing angle. Obviously you might be seeing some glare because I have the spotlight or the light directly pointing to the screen, but this is the result and the size you can get. And if you're someone who's like into gaming or like trading, this is a very good screen because you have a very wide area. Obviously you can split the screen as well. Lenovo has their own software for multiple split screen management, which you can download and install. But anyways guys, this is the quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion R34w monitor. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.